Yes guys, we are at the HQ. It is Monday, bank holiday Monday in the UK, which means that no one basically works, or most people don't work. You've got people playing music in the background, having barbecues, neighbours, everyone's enjoying the time. The sun is out. This is probably the best bank holiday weekend you could ever hope for in the UK. Right, so the plan of action today is I've got my mate come down from Leicester. We have featured him on this channel before. Gonna get some stuff done. He's come down to actually help for the exhibition, which is on Wednesday. So we're 2 days out from the exhibition. There's so much to do, like a ton of things to do. But first, we're gonna do what we always need to do when my boys come down, and let's go Nando's. This is proof that I actually have friends, YouTube.
Outside of London.
Outside of London, yeah. We're in Purley Way. You guys know this joint if you've been watching the vlogs. Back at the favourite place, back at Nando's. Back at IKEA. So Nando's done. Some nice lighting here. Feels super full. Nando's is now done. IKEA is just around the corner from Nando's, so I quickly popped into here because I need to get some storage containers, those sort of clear plastic ones. I'm looking for those. Gigi needs another tree. Have you guys? I'm gonna have to show you our tree. We used to have a really nice tree in the gym, and it's fully. It died on us. That tree we bought on our first ever launch. Do you remember that?
Did we?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We bought that tree on our first ever launch day, August the 20th. It's the annoying thing about IKEA. I come to buy something, and Gigi's like, we need to buy this. Do you know what we need to buy? We need to buy this. Do you know this? We just need to buy this. We need to buy this.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like coming to IKEA with Gigi. Can't buy anything I need to buy. No, I'm not buying it.
Yeah, this is what we need.
Oh, you can't buy that. What are you doing? Put that away.
Bye.
So you're gonna get in trouble.
I'm just going around the corner.
I'm getting 4 of these big ones. We've got some more over there. That should be enough for everything.
Wait, my plant.
Buy next time.
No.
This is more important. Right, so Gigi and Kunal have gone to find a tree for the gym. Gigi loves her plants. Whilst they're doing that, got to transport these boxes. Hopefully they fit in my car. I'm not too sure. I wanted to mention a little bit about my mate here who's come to visit. One of my best friends, like I say, in life, and he's known me since I was 18. I've known him since like ages and ages ago, it feels like. He's just that guy that is just always going to be there, like, and he's just a good friend. And yeah, I'm glad he's come down. I'm glad he's going to help me for this exhibition. It means a lot to me. He himself has been through an absolutely amazing transformation, amazing fitness journey. When I first started this whole movement, this channel, skipping, I put him on my Skip Fit 15 plan. He was one of the first guys to ever test that plan, and he did it for 12 weeks straight, and he lost, in the process, in the last year and a half, he has lost 3 stone. It's just incredible, his transformation. Hey, look, there he is. He's got the plant. What are you gonna call it? Pedro.
Pedro.
This is Pedro the plant.
Pedro the plant, yeah.
Pedro.
Pedro.
Look after it, yeah?
Pedro es mi amigo. No te me mueras, eh.
This is long. I've got all my I've got stuff in here, basically. I've got stuff in the car. And we've got all this to put in there. Let's see how this goes. This ain't gonna work. Got some serious problems.
It's done. We're in.
What about the plant?
That's gonna go in the front with me.
Yeah. I'll look after Pedro.
We're not leaving Pedro, right?
No plant.
Pedro is not gonna come. He's not gonna make it. Right, Gigi's in. It's like a jungle in here. Look at this, it's got boxes. Ah! So got my boy for the first time using. Don't try to go straight into doubles, you crazy boy. Look what I bought with me. We're gonna take a little journey. We're gonna get everything packed up, and then we're off to Excel, where we're gonna set up our shell. So I can't wait to show you what the whole setup looks like. And yeah, I'm just excited to see how it all looks. Right, so for the last hour, maybe 2 hours, we've been working on just deciding what we're gonna take. So everything in this little midsection here is what we've decided to take with us. So we've got hoodies, speed ropes, money ropes. In these boxes here, we've got the legacy rope, we've got limited stock here, and then all this is just all apparel that we need to sort through. And then we're taking these shelves just out here. Loads to do, we're gonna get it moving right now. We are now ready to roll. It's the first time you see me wearing a hat, look ridiculous. We've got about an hour's drive heading up to Expo, long drive. Let's do it. It's Tower Bridge, folks. Iconic London landmark. We are here, a little bit late. Yes guys, we are parked up and we have found our spot. We're gonna unload this place, this van. And I'm gonna show you, in the next clip, I'm gonna show you inside the arena. Here we are, Rush Athletics, guys. Oh my days, look at this. Wow, we made it. This is our little booth. This is where we will be tomorrow and Thursday. What do you reckon?
Make it work.
It's fucking crazy. There's a lot of work still going on. We've got builders in the background over there. But yeah, we're pretty much right at the back of everything. So this is going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to make sure that we can actually get people in. So I'm going to go back to the van and we're going to grab everything. We're going to put everything in the booth right now. Yes, guys, check it out. This is the booth. We're ready to roll tomorrow. There's the banner. Exciting times. We've then got the legacy ropes ready to go. Right guys, we finished up with the preparations. We got chucked out. That was the truth. We got late and we got chucked out. How'd it go?
But we got it done.
This guy's in charge of all the merch tomorrow. He's gonna be helping me. Kunal, aka Tot, the merch man. Honest thoughts, how are we looking?
We're looking good.
We're looking good. You just saw the setup there, looks nice. The branding, to be honest with you, looks the best in our little area, by far. We're the new innovator area, so, hold on, let me get my sunglasses on. We're the new innovator area, so we're supposed to be sort of the newbies on the block. And to be honest with you, we're opposite Shape Master, some sort of chair that helps you lose weight somehow.
For the 55 plus market.
For the 55 plus market, so I'm gonna try and get me some old school mans, girls, gangsterettes to get skipping, get off the Shape Master, and get on to being a jump master. Skip master. Right, but the booth looks good. I'm super pleased. To be honest with you, we've got way too much product for our own good, but that's never a bad thing. That's a good problem to have.
Because we're gonna sell out.
Because if we don't sell out, we've got more for you guys on the website who are watching from like whatever country you're from. So, listen guys, love all the support. I'm gonna start driving now. This has been a momentous occasion. We were a little bit rushed, so I couldn't take it all in, but hopefully you're catching up on my Insta stories, and this video will go up ASAP. So tomorrow is gonna be the big day. We've got a videographer coming. So much is happening. If you're coming down to Elevate, I love you. I wanna meet you. I wanna show you my thanks and my gratitude. And for you to come down here, I've got people coming down from different countries. It's amazing, and I've got this guy coming down from different postcodes. Leicester, it's far, man.
It is far.
It's like 144 miles. Yeah, that's a mission. Next stop is fucking shower. We're so I don't want to show you.
I'm shouting days,
you can probably
man.
smell me right now. Like the camera's probably shaking because of the stink. We are stinking. So this has been a long clip. 2 minutes has been cut down. Great moment there, guys. Thank you for sharing with me, by the way.
Team Money Team. TMT.
The merch man. TMM.
TMT. Team Money Team.